Is your doctor an idiot? I think you might be, okay? Stay tuned, okay? I'm Gavin. I'm a personal trainer, functional agent specialist, co-owner of the Growing Younger fitness studio in Howard, okay? And we focus on helping people over the age of 40 lose weight, get fit, get strong, recover from lifestyle-related diseases such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, things that come around if you're unfit, unhealthy, and haven't exercised for long periods of time. So, do you know what? It drives me crazy, okay? It really does. I have had so many clients that come to our gym with high blood pressure, whose doctors tell them not to exercise, okay? Now, I don't want to insult any doctors or anything, but to be honest, guys, our doctors got no idea about exercise and nutrition. You got none. Your scope of practice isn't personal training, nutrition coaching, or dietitians, okay? It isn't. You're in the business of referring people out to people that they need, prescribing medication, and diagnosing illnesses, okay? So if you're telling your clients not to exercise because you've got high blood pressure, you're an idiot. Absolute idiot. We have lost clients at the gym because their doctors have told them not to exercise because it's too dangerous, because it's going to pop their blood pressure up and they'll have an event, okay? The only thing to reduce blood pressure, okay, medication for sure, okay? But the studies, the overwhelming evidence that exercise and nutrition and losing weight will reduce your blood pressure. And you should absolutely exercise. Should you do high intensity interval exercises, sprints, max fit stuff? Of course not. But you should be doing about 150 minutes per week of moderate or low intensity cardiovascular exercise and weight training twice a week, okay? That they are must, they are staples. And studies have also shown that when people lose weight, nearly all health markers are actually improved regardless, okay? Blood pressure comes down. We've had clients, dozens of clients here that come here with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and they come off medication down the track. Not all, but some. And if they don't come off medication, what actually happens is they reduce the medication. So when you're taking statins, when you're taking medication, what also happens is exercise boosts those effects. That's what happens. So if you're a doctor telling your clients not to exercise, stop it, okay? Refer them out to somebody that knows what they're doing. If you have no idea how to go about it, then you send them out to an exercise professional. Growing Younger, okay, we specialize in people over the age of 45. We are so good at what we do. We actually won a fitness award in the New Zealand Industry Exercise Awards last year for innovation, because we're the only people in New Zealand to help exclusively people over the age of 45, to exclusively help them get fitter, get stronger, reduce lifestyle effects, okay, with regards to high blood pressure. We are so good at what we do, okay, because of our approach is so different to everybody else. Absolutely agree. You should never send them to F45. You should probably never send them to CrossFit, because those places are not designed for your clients. And quite honestly, a lot of your clients anyway, if they were to go out, they couldn't do high intensity exercise anyway, because they're in such a level of being unfit and unconditioned, that if they were to do 10 or 15 seconds of high intensity interval training, even longer if they pushed it, they would be sick, they would be sore, and of course they may be at risk of some kind of event because of that. But to tell them not to exercise is crazy. Words like never, always, must should never be used. There are always exceptions to the rule, okay? And if you don't know, you should never say that. You should never ever prescribe not to do exercise. And what I feel sorry for is our clients that have left us because they've been told by their doctor not to exercise. They are not improving their health now. They are sitting on the couch doing nothing, being extremely inactive because you guys are telling them not to do it, all right? We have doctors that come to our gym. We have doctors that come to our fitness studio because they don't know how to exercise and that they don't know how to eat better. And they're the ones who are smart, and they're the ones that are coming and seek advice for themselves to get healthy. So you guys are crazy. You need to look at yourself pretty hard, and you need to start referring people appropriately, and not just give medication to everything. Of course, if they need it, they need it, but also look for the actual root cause of the issue of the blood pressure, not just a band-aid over the top of the high blood pressure to bring it down. What's also happened to me in the past is that people are coming with high blood pressure, they've gone to the doctors, they got medication, the blood pressure comes down, they stop exercising because the blood pressure is normal now. It's only normal because it's medicated, okay? It's only normal because it's medicated. They should still try and lose weight. They should still try and improve their fitness. And like I say, if you're a doctor that isn't doing that, you need to take a real good hard look at yourself. You're in the business of actually helping people. You're in the business of actually making people healthier, not just giving them a band-aid to cover up the symptoms of the issue. All right. And to be honest with you, yeah, you may be self-guarding yourself, because if you tell them to exercise because you've got no knowledge about exercise, you're not sure about what to do, is that they will hurt themselves based on your advice, and I get that. That is why you refer them out, okay? And if you want to refer them to me, we do clients all over the country, all over the world. I'll leave my details down below. If you want, you can give me a contact and see if we can help your clients. Maybe we can do a joint venture, whereas you can refer clients to us that are in that kind of category that you can't help, and that you're not sure what else to do with them. And maybe we can work together and get your clients healthier. You will not be, for everybody else watching this, you have no idea how many doctors I've contacted in the local area of Howick and East Auckland to try and get this across, and not one of them is interested in working with us. None. Crazy. They're just not interested. And I see it as a significant lack of care, lack of just not interested, not worried about it. And that really worries me, because obviously so many people need some help, and so many people are struggling, okay, and doctors should be the first port of call. So if you're a doctor in the East area, give us a call. We'll help out. We can do a workshop for you guys. We can get your patients in for free, and we'll do a workshop. We talk about this stuff. You can come along as well to make sure that we're not full of BS, okay? And ultimately, you may improve the lives of your clients, okay, and you may be contributing to something pretty special. That's my little rant from now. Hopefully, if you are a doctor and this resonates, get in touch with us. And if you're not a doctor and you're a client of a doctor, and your doctor's told you not to exercise, the doctor's an idiot, you need to get yourself a new one. That's it from me, guys. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the other video. Cheers, guys. Bye.